cannot tell you how completely in love with these polymer products I am. You may have seen our other video where we pressed a polymer bowl using a shrink sleeve. This is something a little bit different. This is a plate, and the plates can't be pressed using a shrink sleeve, but what we have done, and I'll show you, is we've put the vacuum seal back into the heat press. We've put the vacuum base back in as well, and what's going to happen is we've had this in there heating up, because the last thing I want the plate mold to do, there you go, is to drop the temperature of the heat press too much when the plate goes in. So I'm going to leave that to try and keep the heat in. The next part is to attach the transfer. So reversed transfer, pop it right in the middle, the best you can, and attach using your heat tape. This just prevents any transfer from the paper coming through and going onto the vacuum silicone. I have the heat press set to 180 degrees for 660 seconds. So let's get to it. Put the plate into the mould, which will help keep its shape. Pop the baking paper on top, close the heat press, press the vacuum button. What that does is draws the air out of the press, and the silicone cover starts to apply the pressure downward onto the plate. Now we press start. Looks like I didn't attach my silicone at the top very well, and it's actually come out and sat on the plate. So we'll lift that off, and we'll just see what came out. Well, that obviously didn't affect anything, because that is superb. Love it. There we go. That's how it should have been attached. But I don't really mind, because that is perfect. Thanks for watching.